In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay state life insurance premium online by Easypaisa. If you want a quick and convenient way to pay your insurance premium without visiting a branch, the Easypaisa app makes the process simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part carefully so you can complete the payment with confidence and avoid mistakes when entering your policy information. To begin, open the Easypaisa app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you have enough balance available before you start. This can help prevent interruptions later in the payment process. Once you're inside the app, go to the bill payments section. This is where Easypaisa lists different service providers and bill categories. From the available options, select insurance. This will take you to the insurance billers supported inside the app. Next, choose state life insurance as your payment provider. Be sure to select the correct insurer so your payment is routed properly. If you accidentally choose the wrong company, the payment may not apply to your policy, so it's worth taking an extra second here to confirm the selection. After that, enter your policy details. You'll need to type in your state life policy number exactly as it appears on your insurance documents. In some cases, you may also be asked to enter the premium amount due. When entering these details, go slowly and double check for any missing digits or typing errors, because even a small mistake can delay your payment. Once your information is entered, review the payment details on the confirmation screen. Check that the policy number is correct, that the policyholder name shown matches your records, and that the payment amount is accurate. This is one of the most important parts of the process, since reviewing everything now can save you time and trouble later. When everything looks correct, confirm and complete the payment. The app may ask you to authorize the transaction using your Easypaisa PIN or another verification method. Enter the required verification carefully and wait for the payment to process fully. Avoid closing the app or going back while the transaction is being completed. After the payment is successful, save your receipt right away. You can download it or take a screenshot of the confirmation screen for your records. It's a good idea to keep this proof of payment in case you need to refer to it later. Finally, verify that your premium has been successfully credited so you know your policy remains up to date. And that's how to pay your state life insurance premium online using Easypaisa.